Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have got something really exciting lineup for all the aspiring coders out there. If you are someone who loves a good coding challenge, you are in for a treat. In this video, I am going to show you a game-changing method to access LeetCode Premium questions for free. Yes, you heard that right. Free, no strings attached. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's dive into the world of unlocking the hidden treasures of LeetCode. Alright folks, let's get hands-on with this. Open up your Google Chrome browser, and if you haven't already, fire it up now. I have left the link to the GitHub repository in the video description, so you can easily follow along. Once you have got Chrome open, click on the address bar and type in the URL, or simply click on the link provided below in the video description. In the GitHub repository, navigate to the Releases tab and click on the latest version 1.1.2 to download the tool. After selecting the latest version, scroll down to the bottom of the release page and download the source code zip file. Once the download is complete, unzip the file to access the tool and its components. Now, reopen Google Chrome to proceed with the next steps. Next, click on the Customize and Control Google Chrome menu, typically located at the top right corner of the browser window. Within menu, navigate to Extensions and click on Manage Extensions to continue the setup process. Turn on Developer Mode by toggling the switch located at the top right corner of the Extensions page. Following that, click on Load Unpacked and choose the folder that you extracted after unzipping the downloaded file. Great, you should now see that our extension has been successfully added. Now, open LeetCode in your browser and navigate to the Problems tab to start exploring the LeetCode Premium insights with our added extension. As you explore the Problems tab on LeetCode, you will notice that the frequency of questions and premium questions from all companies is now unlocked, providing you with valuable insights for a strategy and targeted preparation. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Happy coding, and I will catch you in the next one.